Ivanti Neurons for Spend Intelligence will help your organization quickly view and manage application spend for on-premise, cloud, and edge environments. The solution provides engaging multi-layer dashboards that enable visibility and actionable insights into the details of complex software management. Each dashboard is designed to give you clear understanding of your software estate, from aggregated up-to-date license information for the various products that you are entitled to use, to individual transactions and contract data. The spend dashboard includes active contract costs and individual transaction spend data and gives insight into transactions that may require additional attention, ensuring that you are making decisions based on accurate information. All data is right at your fingertips and can be filtered, sorted, and exported. Ivanti Neurons for Spend Intelligence provides external data connectors and import utilities for easy data import. Ivanti Neurons for Spend Intelligence provides rich details on server and client installed software as well as SaaS software. End of life, soon to be end of life, and software titles that have available upgrades are clearly displayed so that IT can safeguard that all software is managed properly and is up to date on the most secure versions. By drilling down into the Reclamation Opportunities dashboard widget, we can observe that the solution tracks software usage of licensed applications and provides recommended options to optimize expenses by removing and reallocating licenses. By clicking one button, you can easily create a software removal service request in Ivanti Neurons for IT Service Management, simplifying the reclamation process. The solution gives you an in-depth look into your SaaS expenses and entitlements for both users and applications, enabling you to better manage costs. Useful SaaS reports spot excess allocations and inactive users and helps identify areas for SaaS license recovery and reuse. Reach out to Ivanti to see how Ivanti Neurons for Spend Intelligence can help your organization improve asset visibility, understand potential security risks, and optimize spending.